So this video might look a little crooked, but that's because chunks of my tripod are physically falling off of it as we speak. Moving on to like the best $20 I ever spent in my life, maybe a little bit more than 20. I think total cost was like 35 or something. Fake Yeezys. Everyone on the internet likes to unbox real Yeezys, but I don't have that kind of money. We are going to unbox the fake Yeezys that I ordered. I got these off of Shoedazzle, which I have been subscribed to for, gosh, almost 2.5 years now. I have been a Shoedazzle member and I love it. They have great shoes and they're not paying me to say this, but I wish they were. This is probably my 7th or 8th pair of shoes from Shoedazzle. I think that they have incredible products. I love their shoes and I'm hoping that I'm gonna love these just as much. And there's tissue paper. Ooh, so fake, so unrealistic. So I mainly bought these shoes because we are heading out to LA next week, less than a week from now, and I wanted something that was just like beater shoes that I didn't have to worry about like getting dirty or getting wet or whatever happens, whatever I step in out in LA. So I'm like, you know what? These are gonna be perfect. The reviews on these online said that the most annoying part of them was this tongue right here, because it's not actually like a tongue of a normal shoe. It is like just one chunk of shoe material. I don't know is there a word for that? I'm not a shoe vlogger. I don't know if I'm gonna be bothered by it, but let's try it on and see if I am. So I got them on and they feel a little small. The reviews said that they fit pretty true to size, but they're just a little small, and they didn't go by half sizes, so like I'm not gonna return them and get a different like half size because there's no point in that, because a full size up would probably be too big. But overall, for fake Yeezys, they look okay. I think the weirdest part is probably the way the laces are, because there's like weird holes and it's staggered kind of weird, so that was kind of interesting to try to tighten. I don't know if I'm gonna get used to that or not. They look a little dorky, they look a little fake, but you know what? For kicker shoes when I'm on vacation, I really don't care. They're comfortable enough, I'll live.